What is up, trappers? Check it out. The rain has gone away. We have nothing but bright, beautiful sunshine. And check it out. We got Justin Burkholder here with us, guys. He is the second person. There's the notification. Trap My Ride is live. Anyway, he is the second person to order shirts. So we wanted to get him on and get his shirts to him, get his tickets to him. Brent Mishler was #1, but Brent is out on vacation. Last I seen, he was out west somewhere, Grand Canyon or something like that. So maybe when he gets back, we can get his tickets and his shirts and get him on the show too. But everybody give Justin a big shout out. Loves the show, watches the videos, supports. Second person in line to get shirts, man, and he bought a stack of them, guys. Don't let him BS you. He bought a stack of them. Love this guy. But anyway, he's got his shirts. I'm going to get this flipped around, and we're going to talk to him for a second. Should have flipped. There we go.
What's up, trappers?
What is up, man? I'm glad to have you out. So you bought your shirts here? You got them all right here? Yeah. How many did you buy? You bought what, 4 shirts, Judd?
4. Yep.
4
one
shirts.
One for me and 1 for each of the kids.
You like your shirts?
Yeah, I love them.
Good, good, good. And we got your tickets right here. Ooh, let's see this. Ooh, we got his ticket numbers too. So we'll have to get those filled out before you take off, and we'll get those in the envelope, and those will go in. I don't know what the hell it's called, but that turn thing, man. You put all the tickets in, and it's made of like wire, and you turn it. Yeah, we're gonna get one of those and put all of them in. So before you leave, we're gonna make sure we get these filled out, brother. And for me and all the rest of the trappers and everybody else, man, we just want to give you a shout out and a big thank you for all the love, the support, coming out, getting the shirts, everything, man. Thank you for everything.
Yes, I enjoy it.
We appreciate it, guys. We appreciate it. So let's check this out now. We guys are getting ready to go get in the Blazer. We're gonna head to Middlebury, Indiana. They're having the 2021 classic car cruise-in up there. We've been up there a few weeks, guys, and every week it gets bigger and better as the year goes on, and it's just a great time. So we're going to hit that up, and then we're also going to meet up at 1204 North Napanee Street, I think it is. Is that right? It's the old Martins there in Elkhart, right? Elkhart, yeah. And that's going to be hosted by Night Therapy. 574 Scene, was it 574 Car Scene? I think that's what it is. Trap My Ride and my crew, guys. So we're all going to be out there. Trap My Ride's going to have the camera. We're going to have the Blazer. Everybody come out, join us, have a great time. And that's what we're doing tonight, guys. We're getting the weekend started off. You know, it's Thursday night. It's a weekend or a holiday weekend, isn't it? In the 4th of July, Sunday or Saturday? Sunday, yeah. So guys, hopefully we have an awesome lit weekend and a good time, a good show out to all the events we go to, and we're going to bring you the live footage. So stay tuned, check out the notifications so you don't miss it. Make sure to follow, like, and hit that notification bell so that way you guys can keep up with us and see where we're at, where we're going to be. And don't forget, guys, the shirts are in. But before we go, one more thing. I'm going to flip this around. I noticed, you see what Judd's got on his shirt back there? Can you guys see it? Let's see. You see what's on his shirt? Let's get this flipped around. I'm going to show you what's on his shirt. Let's see. We're gonna get right up on you here. What does it say? Frontline Construction, and that's right here in Napanee. 574-354-7688. Is it what it says?
Yep, that's right.
Yeah. Do you work for there or what?
Yeah, Joe Burkholder.
Yeah.
Owns it.
Yeah, Dale Burkholder owns it. Joe Burkholder.
Yep.
Yeah. So what do you guys do there?
Framing, new framing, and siding.
Nice, nice, nice. I just noticed this. You know, every time that we get a chance to plug a local company or anything like that, or somebody's trying to do something positive in our community, I want to plug them and give them a shout out. So guys, if you need some construction done, get up with Joe Burkholder, right? Let's see, is it on the back too? Let's see if we can get the big one right there. Frontline Construction. Does he have a Facebook page or anything like that, Judd?
It's under Frontline.
Yeah, it's under Frontline, guys. So if you need some construction done, anything like that, get a hold of him, man, definitely. So that's what we're doing, guys. We're getting ready to get in the Blazer and head out of here. The Minitruck's gonna sit today. We're gonna ride the Blazer up. We got it all cleaned and polished up. There's where we're headed, guys. So if you want to see us, that's where we'll be at. We'll be at Middlebury at the Essen House, the 2021 Classic Car Cruise-In, and then we're gonna meet up with Night Therapy at 1204 Napanee Street there in Elkhart. See, Tony Morris said something. Guys, we have viewers. I can't see who it is. It's so bright out here. I can't tell anything. Tony says, I need a shop build for 5,000. Take it or leave it. I don't know. I don't know what he says. You'll have to message me, Tony. But anyway, guys, we're getting ready to get in the Blazer and get out of here, and that's what we're doing. Another shout out to Judd. We're gonna get his tickets filled out before he leaves. And what do we tell him, Judd, at the end of every video?
Keep on trapping.
Yeah, that's right, man. Good job.
That's right.
All right, guys, you heard him. Keep on trapping.